Hey guys, so let's start our project again. So first of all, just go to your input directory. Okay, you can see that I have activated my virtual environment. So now you have to just go to our project block. So we have to see where we were. Okay, if we click that and paste here, so this is where we were. So this is it. So let's add a picture here and also install django-taggit to manage the tags of our posts. So first of all, let's install pillow. Pip install pillow. You can see it successfully installed pillow. So now we can add images to our model. So let's add images in here. After slug images is equal to models dot image field. Okay, type here load to. Okay, I'm going to give it the photos directory to upload all our images in here. So click save, and we also have to install django-taggit. Okay, you can see this is the django-taggit. Okay, django-taggit, go to here and just copy this and paste here and click enter. We have successfully installed django-taggit. We have to manage our tags in here. Okay, so after that installing, we have to just copy this tagable manager and come here, paste here, and also we need also the taggable manager to add our text. Okay, so yeah, this should be fine. We have successfully managed to add images and tags in our blog post. So we have to just run python manage.py make migrations. Okay, what this is saying? Oh, the tags is not installed, so we have to give this taggable manager to our settings.py. Okay, we have to manage this in here. Copy this and give this here. Okay, I think it's saved. So run python manage make migrations. Okay, it's asking me that the image has a null value, so we have already added data in our db field, so it's asking that our model has the image, and we have to give this null is equal to true and blank also true, so that the image image of this post can be null. Okay, so now python manage.py make migrations. I think it will work now. Yeah, manage.py migrate. Okay, now we are going to go to our server and see the changes. Okay, this is where we are. Now we can go to the admin and admin. Okay, you can see this is our text. We can also add tags in here. Okay, and you can also see that if I go to add post, we can add tags in here. This is awesome. We have the image and also the text. So let's add our post. Okay, we are going to delete this and add our post. Okay, lorem ipsum. Let's copy this and this is the subtitle. Okay, let's just add this. Okay, lorem. Okay, can give this image is here. The text will be okay, python and Django. Author is going to be admin and we also need some text. Okay, published. Yeah, we have successfully saved it. So we have to show a text in here. So the all post is going to index.html. So let's go to index.html. So we have managed to input the image, right? So let's type here. We have to load the static. So should type here load static.